next Friday, sir. It's okay?
Inshallah.
Okay.
Straight or right?
There. Then after change the straight. Then me driving, sir, go back the.
Okay.
You remember, sir, the first lesson, huh?
Yeah.
How to turn, how to slow down.
Yeah.
More straight. How to the steering. Then
Yeah.
after next day,
Slow.
next Friday,
سلو
slow down.
بطل شوية عشان خاطر المطب اللي قدامك ده.
Slow down.
مطب.
Not full brake, huh? Okay. Say gas little bit. I say how to try this one. Not gas, huh?
Okay.
Slow brake. Slow down.
بس سلو ده.
Okay. Yes. They remove the brake. Okay, gas a little bit.
المطب الثاني قدامك.
Okay. Then same again. Then stop the right side, sir. After the this one.
Okay.
Okay. Stop here, sir.